I have to sell my house because it's just too expensive these days. I'm moving into a fifth wheel, and I wasn't excited about it. But with your guide, I'll be able to make this small space into something that I'll love. That's a review that a real person left about my interior design style guide. And I can't tell you how much it means to me that I'm making a difference in people's lives. Bree, thank you so much for purchasing my guide, and I'm so very grateful that it helped you. That's what I want from the deepest part of my soul, is to make people's lives better. And the fact that I'm able to do that makes me feel incredibly blessed. I know times are tough, but if we all stick together and lift each other up, I think we'll be able to make a better world. One last thing. We are having the huge problem of all of our free primers being sent to spam. So if you take my quiz and you request a free primer, please check your spam mail, because that is where they are. And then the more people who go to their spam and say we're not spam, the less it will go to spam. So I